Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Dear students, here we have to use between. What is the meaning of between?
दरमियान.
Yes, between का मतलब क्या होता है?
दरमियान.
Okay. To make the sentences using between. between का इस्तेमाल करके हमें यहाँ पर सेंटेंस बनाने हैं. So we start
Yes.
from अबू बकर. हम अबू बकर से शुरुआत करते हैं. Are you ready?
Yes. Afnan sits between Atif and Zakaria.
Good.
Now Afnan sits
Yes.
between Atif and Zakaria.
Very good. Yes.
Maria sits between Alia and Ruqayya.
Very good. Yes.
Anam sits between Anwash and Mantasha.
Very good. Yes.
Alina sits
Yes. Between.
Riza for Mahi.
निज़ा फॉर नहीं आएगा. Between रिज़ा एंड माहिन. Yes. माहिन. Yes. 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 Say loudly. Loudly. Seats. Between. Zamil. Very good. Yes.
Aran sits between Altamash and Ziyan.
Very good. Yes. Hasnan.
Afnan sits between Atif and Zakaria.
Very good. Yes. Afnan. Yes. Atif. You tell. No. Now.
Now Afnan sits between and Zakaria
Yes.
and Afnan.
यस. हाँ, बीच में एंड नहीं. हसनैन. दोबारा बोलो. हाँ, से अगेन.
Now Afnan between.
Sits.
Now Afnan sits between Zakaria and Afnan.
Very good. Very good. Yes. 3 claps go for yours.